Mentor AI Handbook on 3D Cube. Author Keynote, by Pradeep K. Suri. Welcome to this transformative video designed for AI mentors. As the architect of this deep neural network, DNN, model for a hospital ERP system, my objective is to bridge the gap between domain expertise and artificial intelligence through visual storytelling. This video helps mentors illustrate how DNNs work not in isolation but deeply embedded in real-world systems like healthcare. By demystifying neural networks and showing how data flows from inputs to decisions, we empower mentors to teach effectively across industries. Purpose of the Mentor Handbook and video integration. This video serves as a powerful visual aid in the Mentor Handbook, enabling educators and trainers to explain how each layer of the DNN processes data. The structure includes input layers, patient data, lab reports, medical history. Hidden layers, feature extraction, pattern recognition, medical reasoning. Output layers, diagnosis suggestions, treatment plans, resource allocation. Mentors can walk ments through the complete flow using this 3D animated video, showing how AI mimics human clinical reasoning. Cross-domain applications. One factory manufacturing ERP. Inputs, machine sensor data. Outputs, predictive maintenance alerts, production schedules, defect predictions. 2 Education, ISO 21001. Inputs, student scores, attendance, learning preferences. Outputs, student improvement plans, teacher feedback, curriculum optimization. 3 Hospitality ERP. Inputs, guest preferences, booking behavior, feedback. Outputs, personalized offers, resource optimization, experience enhancement. 4 Retail. Inputs, purchase patterns, demographic data, product feedback. Outputs, product recommendations, supply chain optimization, pricing strategies. 5 Automotive, smart manufacturing. Inputs, component testing, environmental stress, quality checks. Outputs, failure prediction, assembly optimization, automated reporting. Teaching examples table. Domain input, hidden layer, focus output. Healthcare vitals, symptoms, pattern recognition, treatment suggestion. Education, student scores, learning path mapping, adaptive curriculum. Manufacturing, sensor logs, anomaly detection, maintenance alert. Retail, sales data, customer clustering, targeted promotions. Thanks. Keynote and comment on learning. Thank you for reading Mentor's DNN Handbook video. It's more than just a technical explanation, it's a visual teaching tool that simplifies complex AI structures. For mentors, this model offers a repeatable, adaptable way to explain AI in your own domain. For ments, it brings clarity and confidence in applying AI concepts practically. This video turns abstract neural network theory into tangible domain applications. It provides a clear path for AI mentors to teach, adapt, and innovate. Ments will leave with not just knowledge, but vision. Keynote summary, manufacturing focus. This 3D animated visualization simulates how AI monitors sensor logs in a manufacturing unit, tracks real-time anomaly detection scores, and signals maintenance alerts when thresholds are crossed. Each frame represents a shift, dynamically showing how equipment health varies across time and location. It enables proactive maintenance, reduces downtime, and improves decision-making in ERP systems. Author Keynote, Kubeflow, AI in Manufacturing. Welcome to this AI-powered visualization titled Kubeflow, AI for Manufacturing ERP. This animated 3D cube model is designed as a dynamic storytelling tool for mentors, engineers, and decision-makers. It reveals how artificial intelligence can seamlessly integrate into a manufacturing ecosystem, using deep insights extracted from sensor data, machine behavior, and anomaly detection metrics. The goal is to transform raw operational data into predictive intelligence, enabling smarter decisions, better efficiency, and timely alerts. Brain AI power to manufacturing units. Modern manufacturing environments operate under complex, high-speed, and precision-demanding conditions. AI acts as a digital brain that continuously monitors machine sensors in real time, detects early signs of failure, Predicts maintenance schedules. Optimizes production throughput. Supports ERP-level decision-making. Cube, data-driven decision-making. The animated cube model exemplifies how data-driven decision-making transforms traditional manufacturing into intelligent operations. By visually mapping sensor logs, anomaly scores, and alert signals in real time, the cube empowers plant managers and engineers to make precise, evidence-based decisions. Each frame reflects a time-stamped operational state, allowing decision-makers to identify deviations, prioritize maintenance, and allocate resources effectively. Rather than relying on assumptions or delayed reports, the cube enables immediate insights from actual machine behavior, enhancing responsiveness, reducing downtime, and optimizing production strategy, all through the power of AI-driven data interpretation. Bar chart understanding the cube visualization. Each cube frame in the video represents a specific shift or time unit. Vertical bars for sensor readings. Orange lines for anomaly scores. Red blinking dots for alert thresholds exceeded. As time progresses from shift 1 to shift 5, the cube flows reveal how AI dynamically interprets live data. The blinking effect reflects real-time alerting, simulating how an AI engine draws attention to anomalies before they cause equipment failure. The 3D layout allows users to interpret the data spatially, making complex datasets more intuitive and actionable. Why this matters? This cube is more than a visualization, it's a control tower powered by AI for manufacturing decision-making. It equips plant managers and engineers to detect failure patterns early, prioritize tasks based on risk, reduce costs through preventive maintenance, visualize shift/unit performance in one dashboard. Final thanks from the author. Thank you for engaging with this AI cube simulation. As the architect of this model, my vision is to make AI visible, actionable, and trusted in every corner of industrial operations. This cube is your AI assistant in motion, guiding you toward higher precision, efficiency, and resilience. Let this be your first step into a smarter factory floor. Pradeep K. Suri, AI mentor, architect, ERP innovator. Thanks for watching the video.